Okay, this is the top corner of the roost box. That is the ground. This is the top corner of the roost box. There's two things, we're placing this gusset, there's two things that you need to consider. Very important. The first one being, just like the other corners, we got to set this back in this direction, the width of this board. So when we marry the two corners together, they'll marry together appropriately. The other thing you have to consider is this dropping this gusset down from our top edge, because what's going to be sitting right here is the piece of plywood for the top of the roost box, and we want the top of that piece of plywood with the top of the roost box to line up flush with the top edge of this board here. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to set it down, the gusset set down the thickness of your plywood. Well, we've decided which piece of plywood is going to be for this piece, and that just happens to be a 1/2 inch piece of plywood. So we're going to set it down from the top to accommodate for that piece of plywood, a 1/2 inch, and then we're going to set it over the thickness of these boards, which happens to be like 3/4 of an inch for the 1x4.
Okay.
So that's the placement there, and we'll glue it and screw it down.